Mike has finally fixed his low back pain for good with Fisher Traction. Want results like this too?
I would say probably using the Fisher Traction for a week, no more pain, no more stiffness. My mobility was back. It was incredible.
Finding long-lasting and permanent relief from low back pain can be a very tricky and frustrating process. I understand how you feel. I see it on my patients' faces as they walk into my clinic, and I hear their stories about living with pain every day. Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Fisher. If you've been suffering from low back pain, I'm going to show you how you can fix it once and for all. Before I show you this highly effective, totally safe, and easy solution, it's important you understand why this is going to work for you. There are two things your spine and discs need for quick, but more importantly, long-lasting relief and healing. First, you've probably heard that decompressing your spine can really help with low back pain. But that's only half the battle, and so many people are unaware of the huge second step that can help them heal much more effectively. And this isn't your fault, because you were probably never told. The first benefit of decompression is obvious. It stretches out your spine, so it releases the pressure that's put on it by gravity and can be made worse by work or sitting at a desk, and so on. But decompression is only step one of a two-step process. The second step is the secret you were probably never made aware of. And that is if you can slowly go in and out of decompression. Then you can create a pumping action to create suction, so your herniated discs are pulled back into place, along with water. Not only does this process prevent the discs from sticking out, which is causing a lot of your low back pain and discomfort, but this suction process pulls in water to rehydrate your discs. Thanks to the water, your discs become more elastic and they move more freely, so they can better heal. Fisher Traction is the only commercial product on the market that allows you to decompress your spine using negative G-force technology that utilizes your own body weight. Machines that do this in hospitals and doctors' offices can cost thousands to tens of thousands of dollars. But all you need is a Fisher Traction device and a door. It's so simple, anyone can use it to get instant and long-lasting relief in their home or in their office. Let me show you how it works. First, slip the loop over any door handle and then close the door. Second, slide the waist belt over your hips and lie down. Third, use the release strap to go in and out of decompression. I've worked with over 200,000 patients over my decades as a chiropractor, so I know firsthand how urgent the need is when it comes to low back pain. I realized all the other devices were only giving patients half the benefits of decompression, since they didn't have the ability to stretch and release and create this vital suction to help get the discs back and rehydrate them. So I spent years creating the Fisher Traction device to make sure it was highly effective, totally safe, and can be used by anyone.
I noticed with the traction is slowly but surely, we started creating more distance in the disc area, and then slowly the discomfort started going away.
As soon as I started doing it, the pain I had in my lower back kind of went away, and I felt the stretching. When I came in here, it was hurting pretty bad, and right now it's not hurting at all.
Instant relief. I mean, it was incredible, the difference. Whatever was in there, it kind of just felt like it released.
Don't let back pain take over your everyday life. Just click the link and get the relief you need.